Meaning of duty-bound.
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 Duty-bound. Duty-bound means being obligated or compelled to do something due to one's sense of duty or responsibility. It implies a strong moral or ethical obligation that one feels and is willing to fulfill even if it requires personal sacrifice. This phrase is often used to describe situations where one is bound to act in a certain way, regardless of personal feelings or desires. Duty-bound individuals are characterized by their sense of duty, honor, and commitment to fulfilling their obligations, even when faced with difficult choices or adverse circumstances.